As we all know, Python provides various libraries for image and video processing. One of them is OpenCv. So in this video, I will teach you how to access your webcam using Python with the help of OpenCv library. The first step is to import the OpenCv library into our program. Once the library is imported, the next step is to capture object from camera. We will capture the object with the help of cv2.video capture, and then we will store it into the variable cap. Now, we will set up an infinite loop and then we will use read method to read the frame using above created object. After that, we will write a code to display video frame. To do so, we will use cv2.imshow method. Once the window is created, later after some time we need to close it, so to do that, we will set Q button as quitting button, means whenever you will press Q button, the camera window will get destroyed. To close the window, we need to write two more lines of code, one to release the window and another to destroy the window. Now let's run our code and test. If everything went well, a window should appear. When Q button is pressed, the window should get destroyed. Thank you for watching. We will upload more videos on OpenCv. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and turn on notification.